Exercise 6.2 question number 10. Here, what is given? A vector, B vector, C vector, 3 non-zero vectors. It means that the box product is not equal to 0. C vector is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Also given that angle between A and B is pi by 6, 30 degree. Show that box product A vector, B vector, C vector whole square is 1 by 4 times the mod A square mod B square. Solution. C is a unit vector. It will implies modulus of C vector is equal to 1 unit. C is perpendicular to both the A vector and the B vector. It is given data. After that, so look at the parallelogram. So there are two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, namely A vector is the one adjacent side to parallelogram A vector, and B vector is another adjacent side to the parallelogram. So A and B are adjacent side. Now the third vector, that is C vector, which is perpendicular to both the parallelogram and as well as A vector and B vector. This C vector is a perpendicular vector to the parallelogram. That means the plane which contains A vector and B vector, and also given data. By data, C vector is perpendicular to A vector and C vector is perpendicular to B vector. So this data is given in question. Now by the definition of A cross B, A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both the plane, that means the parallelogram, and A vector and B vector. A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector because it is a definition of the A cross B, and as well as it is perpendicular to the plane containing the sides A vector and B vector. Here look at the C vector and A cross B vector. Here A cross B is perpendicular to A, it is very well known, and A cross B is perpendicular to B vector 2. Here look at the C vector and look at the A cross B vector. So both vectors here parallel vector. C is parallel to A cross B. After that, C is parallel to A cross B. Angle between C and A cross B. If the two vectors are parallel, angle between their vectors is 0 degree. A cross B dot C, it means dot product between two vectors. What is the dot product formula? A vector dot B vector is equal to mod A vector mod B vector cos theta. Mod of first vector, mod of second vector, and a cosine angle between these two vectors. Here first vector is A cross B, second vector is C, modulus of A cross B and modulus of C, and angle between A cross B and C. What is the angle between A cross B and C? That is 0 degree. So let us substitute here 0 degree. Here mod A cross B, mod C, cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 degree 1. Modulus of C vector is equal to 1 because C is a unit vector. So mod A cross B into 1 into 1. Next, after that, A cross B dot C becomes A cross B into 1 into 1. That is mod A cross B only remains. Here modulus of A cross B, we have the definition for cross product. So what is the definition of cross product modulus? Modulus of any two vectors, that is with the cross product. First vector modulus, second vector modulus. If here you are given cross product, sine angle can be used. If you are given dot product, cosine angle can be used. Here modulus given, so that we are taking modulus of sine theta, and n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So modulus of A cross B is the formula mod A vector, mod B vector, modulus of sine theta, modulus of n cap. Here using this formula, mod A vector, mod B vector, sine theta. Theta is the angle between these two vectors. Given by data, angle between A and B is given pi by 6. That is sine pi by 6 used here. and C vector is a unit vector which is perpendicular to A vector and B vector. So that we are using, for instead of n cap we are using C vector. N cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to A and B. C vector is a unit vector which is perpendicular to A and B. So that we are using here C vector modulus. So this becomes sin 30 degree. What is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2. What is modulus of C vector? That is also 1. Substituting these all things. Modulus of A cross B. This is mod A vector, mod B vector. This becomes 1 by 2. Here writing 1 by 2 and C, mod C vector is 1. After that, modulus of A cross B is 1 by 2 times mod A and mod B. Next, we are squaring on both sides. What will be the answer? Modulus of A cross B whole square is 1 by 4 mod A square into mod B square. That's all.